Magin. I see your spirit today, my relations. Midegah, Gichidan, and Digo, Ojibway, Mong. I'm called the kind man. It's what I was named of the Ojibwe peoples. We're a sacred people, and we live like we record our vision with the Creator. Sometimes we fail, but we always try again. I'd say, Adik Sangab Nandu Dem. I come from the great deer family, and we know that deer make trails. So I'm trying to make a trail too, and I hope that you'll come along. In relation to what she said, I wanted to say that the strength of men is to ensure the endurance of the strength of the mother, and that's in her generations that are yet unborn. I often sit and, it's true. I often sit and feel the sun, embrace the wind, contemplate the unknowns of the purpose within. Looking out, this is what I see. The sun is gold, the grasshopper leaps, but none are as bold as that caterpillar who creeps. And what to behold between the reeds, shimmering gold butterfly wings. Each breath is a pause to consider oneself. You aren't much different, you and I. Some walk the land, some soar the skies. Some swim the seas, all these moments are passing by. I look within myself and I see a pure truth. I know from whence we came, we shall return. We exist here like a gentle rain caressing the earth. We exist with a purpose to learn. But what of our Creator who views us in so many ways, earth, sea, sky, beneath the sun's rays? He sees us, he sees you. The sea worries for the precious drops carried afar, but there is a purpose to knowing who you are. All return to the ocean from whence they fell, and all carry a story and a journey to tell. So who are you amidst the noise? Are you what another sees? Are you what another feels? Are you a dream within your heart? Are you the morning sun whose light reveals warmth, love, and compassion? So I'll share a song, and it's a prayer song, and it says, it's a great day today. So the Creator who gives all, I accept all that's given with an open heart, because it's all for my good, for your good too. Aya gichidawe bushkegin. Aya gichidawe bushkegin. Yahweh, Yahweh, Yah. Aya gichidawe bushkegin. Yahweh, Yahweh, Yah. And just for those who asked, I follow Jesus Christ, the great peacemaker. So I'll share a song for him too. Then I'll go. Holy, holy, holy is the God of Israel. Holy, holy, holy is the great I am. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord Emmanuel. Holy, holy, holy is the King of Zion. Miigwech, and don't forget where we're going. See you tomorrow.